Hey, want to earn money online with zero experience? If so, my name is Michael De La Cruz, and in this video, I'm showing you a done-for-you affiliate system that gives you pre-built funnels, emails, websites, and even live coaching. All you gotta do is just send traffic and earn commissions. Make sure you stick around until the end because I'm gonna be sharing with you some amazing bonuses I'm giving out for getting started through the exact activation link. Let me introduce you to the all-in-one business. And I don't know about you, but what I've seen out there is that most people quit online because they're stuck building everything from scratch. Well, let me tell you, I was there too until I found a system like the one you've seen on the screen who handed me everything I needed. So they gave me ready-made funnels and websites, done-for-you email sequences, traffic and training, daily live coaching, and full product delivery and support. So when you have all of this stuff in place, let me tell you, you only have to do one thing, which is pretty much to send visitors and let the system do the rest. So let me show you how the all-in-one business works. So basically, you get step-by-step training. So you get easy to follow training modules that walk you through every step of the process. There's no confusion, no guesswork, just clear, actionable steps. Then you have the done-for-you funnel and systems, as I mentioned before. So the system comes with ready-made funnels, email sequences, and marketing tools that are already proven to convert. So you don't have to create anything from scratch. And then you get ongoing support and community, right? You don't want to, because you want to be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. So you get access to a community of like-minded entrepreneurs and expert coaches who are there to help you every step of the way, and you'll never feel alone in this journey. What I love about it is that their residual income model. So basically the system is built around earning residual income, meaning you get paid 80% monthly commissions for the work you put in today, creating a sustainable long-term business. And as you can see on the screen, there are real affiliates and beginners are using the exact same system to earn money online. This person right here, says, OMG, I just made my first sale. If you never gotten your first sale, it's actually the best feeling in the world because it gives you, POC, which is proof of concept. All right, so here's how to earn money online with the all-in-one business system. First thing you want to do, you want to click the activation link in the description. Once you click that link, it's gonna pull up a form, fill up that form, and get access to this video right here. This is a short video, a quick message from me, me sharing my story and giving you some value of what you're gonna be getting on the next page. Then once you watch this short video, then you want to scroll down and click on the next step, which is to get access now, and simply get started. Then once you are in the inside on the affiliate section, you want to follow the steps right here, which is to watch the affiliate fast start training. And one thing I want to point out is that this system or this program has paid its affiliates over 6,770,522 in total commissions. So that's how much they have paid. And one other fact, known fact about this that I love about this program is that you're not only joining a program that's going to teach you skills so you can earn residual income for life, but you're also contributing in feeding starving kids. So a portion of the sales that you make will go to actually a foundation called Feed My Starving Children. So you're actually contributing positively by simply joining this program. Now, in addition to getting started and getting all that training and set up so you can start earning, you also get access to bonus offer number one, which is one-on-one mentoring. So you get access to one-on-one mentoring from myself on a daily basis. So I have learned up from years of struggles in the online marketing, which actually makes me more than qualified to mentor beginners. So I'll tell you exactly what to do. I'll give you I have some copy and paste marketing resources that I share with you, and I show you where to place those type of ads, and pretty much I'll help you get results. You also get done for you lead magnet, which you can use that go to Canva and customize it and make it yourself, courtesy of my good friend Nathan Lucas, which is a business partner I worked with in the past, who share how he went from from 0 to 1.2 million in affiliate commissions. Of course, where results not typical, dedication and hard work is required for you to earn any significant amount of income, with any program. As you can see, average affiliate can expect to earn 328 with this program. You can see the full earning disclosure on there. But yeah, this is actually some of the bonuses you're going to be getting. So you're going to also get my daily 4-step checklist. So this is the exact checklist in the step I use, that I follow daily to get results. And I'm just going to be giving that to you as an additional resource. I'm also going to be giving you an affiliate link tracker, so you can put all your affiliate, you have different affiliate programs. You can put all your affiliate links on there in one location, so you can find it and be able to use it to share your program with others. But with this program right here, this is all you're gonna need. It's an all-in-one business program in order for you to start earning money online. And pretty much it can't get any easier than this. You don't need any experience. Everything is pretty much handled for you. All you gotta do is simply send visitors to your to your funnel or to your link, which is already done for you. Okay, so here are some objections I get from people from time to time. Basically, one of the objections is like, what if I'm not a tech savvy? Can I still do this? Well, with this program, you actually don't have to be a tech savvy, because you will have step-by-step video guidance. You also will have coaching, so somebody is going to be there helping you out step by step. So no, you don't have to be a tech savvy in order for you to do this and earn money online. Another objection I get is that, will I get help? Well, again, there's daily coaching as well. There's an active community that's going to be there guiding you, and is going to be sharing questions that you might have, so you get the answers in there too. So you will not be alone with this. You will always get help. You get help from me. Like people that start through the link, through my link, the activation link I have in the description below, they get mentoring from me one-on-one. And for people that are serious, when they get in through my link and get access to the additional products, I also will help them get traffic and get visitors to their links, so they can also potentially make sales and get results, right? And another objection I get, what if I get stuck? Well, we have support. There's a support system in this program. You also have a community that's there to answer questions. But yeah, if you ever get stuck, there's a tech support that can help you. Just reach out to them and they'll help you set things up if you get stuck in any step. And this is designed to be hands-free, right? So that's what I love about the all-in-one business. The sooner as you get started, the better you're gonna get access to these bonuses, and the better you're gonna get closer to your income goals, whatever they are. If you want to earn money online using this done-for-you affiliate system I shared with you in this video and gain access to all my bonuses, click the activation link in the description below, get access to the info, and simply get started. Other than that, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.